Hey folks, you ever get a bad contractor and he do some crappy work? Yeah? Join the club. Here it is. Guess they didn't use the proper galvanized pipe, so now I got a rust coming down my tiles. Check this out. Pumie makes a scouring stick. It's like sandpaper, but it's pretty strong. This works out pretty good. If you just take some time, I don't have much of it left here. But it takes the rust off with this. There's a couple of things that you use it on. I'm not gonna run the shower and I'll get soaked. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use some Windex as water. You get the basic idea. And work on it. Take a lot of it off. I'll go around it. Take your time. It'll come out nice. Let's see. Nothing hard in the grout there. See how it comes out. Alright. I gotta lift this up with my other hand. But you get the basic idea. Stuff works pretty good. Yeah, contractors hire subcontractors, and you know what? Sorry, they all suck. Like I said, I just use Windex just as a water thing. Get most of it out. All right. Concentrate on it more, and you get a better job out of it. Okay, that's it. Just want to tell you guys that there is something that will take that little rust spots off. It works pretty good. Try it. All right. I think I got this at Lowe's or Home Depot. They sell it. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao. There it is, guys. I ran out of stone, so I had to go buy more. But yeah, big difference than what it was before, right? Works out great. Does other things too. All right, read the instructions. Works pretty good. All right, thanks for watching, people. Ciao.